Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the subtitles in any of your games that you play on your PlayStation 5. There is a system level setting specifically just for this to turn on or off. So let's go to settings right here and then scroll on down and go to where it says save data and game app settings. Then scroll on down to game presets, and we can change the difficulty, we can change the mode to quality or performance mode, we can change the invert of our controls right here, and then we have subtitles and audio right here. We have display subtitles. We can turn them off or we can keep them on right here, or we can go to game default and then do that in the game settings. And then we have the audio language. We have same as console or the original audio. So we could put this to on, and every game that we start and play will have subtitles turned on by default. So just go to this section and there's a couple different cool settings in here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.